Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. A really simple yet really cute Easter bunny craft. This is a great one to do with the little ones. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is some sticky back fabric, some scissors, a blue pom-pom, some pink foam, eyes, some glue, a toilet roll, some metal wire, and a marker pen. Remember to get your parents' help when you're using the scissors. So the first thing we want to do is to draw out the base of our toilet roll. We're now going to draw two giant feet and cut it out. Be careful when you're using the scissors. I've done this on my pink foam. Now I'm going to take my sticky back fabric to cover the entire toilet roll. Like so. So easy. There's a little bit of extra at the bottom, so it's already sitting perfectly on my feet. Now I need to draw some perfect bunny ears. Cut them out. Don't forget to get some help when you're using the scissors. And now it's time to glue them on the inside at the front, like so. Of course we need to add detail, like a nose and some whiskers. So cut some lengths of wire and then feed it through the center of your pom-pom, like so. Three pieces of wire mean you've got 6 little whiskers. Too cute! And of course, we need to have eyes. Otherwise, our little Easter bunny can't see. So glue them all on. And once we've done that, you're finished! Doesn't he look gorgeous? A super simple craft. Great to do with the little ones. Adorable Easter bunny bottle. Doesn't that look great? Let's get started. For this you're going to need a plastic bottle, some glue, a cupcake case, some metal wire, a pink pom-pom, white felt on card, black and pink pens, a small polystyrene ball, eyes, scissors, and pipe cleaners. Don't forget to get some help when you are using your scissors. The first thing we want to do is to make our Easter bunny's ears. We're going to do this marking against the width of the cupcake case so that it will sit on top. Draw the outline onto the felt. Using your pink marker pen, colour in the ears. Now carefully cut it out. Now we're going to take our scissors and cut a slit along the centre of our cupcake case. This way we can slide the bunny ears through the middle. We're going to glue this on top of the bottle's lid. This is going to make a perfect little topper. Now we're going to take some wire. We want to cut 3 lengths, like so. We're now going to feed them through the center of our small pom-pom. And we have a perfect little nose with whiskers. Colour in your pom-pom so it matches. And then we're going to glue it to the front of our bottle. Perfect! Now it's time to add some eyes. Gosh, he's looking cute already, isn't he? Don't forget that every bunny should have a pom-pom tail. Once I've put my lid on, I'm taking the pipe cleaner and tying it around, just so that it's secure. And there you have it, a perfect Easter bunny bottle. It's great for when you collect your eggs on Easter morning. Down the rabbit hole. Doesn't it look cute? So for this you're going to need some white felt, pink foam, glue, a polystyrene ball, a glass, a pom-pom, scissors, some green crepe paper, and a marker pen. Don't forget to get some help when you're using the scissors. So let's get started. First we want to take our green crepe paper. We're going to stretch it out and cut off the excess. We want to take our scissors and fringe the edge of the green crepe paper to make it look like grass. See? Perfect. I've put some normal crepe paper in the bottom. And then I'm using my cut crepe paper to add a grass effect. Add your polystyrene ball into the top. Don't forget to add a cute little bunny tail. Now we're going to make some feet. Draw this onto your felt, and then onto your pink foam, draw some little circles so that we can add detail. These are going to be some adorable bunny paws. Cut them out and put them onto your bunny feet. See how cute they look? I love the pattern. Stick them down, just like so. And now it's time to glue our bunny paws onto our bunny. Just like this. And there you have it, a cute little bunny popping down the rabbit hole. PlayDoh Easter Egg. So for this you're going to need a ruler, some pink Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh and blue Play-Doh. I'm taking my purple Play-Doh and rolling it into an egg shape. Remember, you can use any different colour that you like though. Now I'm taking my blue Play-Doh and rolling it into a long spaghetti. Then I'm pressing it down. I'm doing the same thing with some of my pink Play-Doh. Now I'm getting my ruler. I want to make sure that my edges are super straight. And do the same thing with the blue. This is part of the decoration for the egg, so we're going to wrap it around the middle. Get rid of any excess. Like I said, the sky's the limit. You can get creative here. Now we're going to make the bow. Make a teardrop shape out of the blue and the pink. We're going to make a tail using the pink and the blue as well. Now it's time to attach those bits to the bow. And finally, attach the bow to the egg. How pretty does that look? An Easter egg out of Play-Doh.